How to fix TikTok unable to authorize on iPhone. If you are getting the unable to authorize error on TikTok when trying to sign in on your iPhone, then follow this solution to fix it. First of all, check your internet connection. Swipe down the control panel from the top right corner of your screen and check your internet connection. If necessary, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also try restarting your Wi-Fi router or try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network. Once done so, go back to the home screen, and once you are back in the home screen, tap on the App Store option available there. Once you tap on the App Store, in the search address bar, type down TikTok and search for the TikTok app. Now, tap on the TikTok app from the list. And if there is an update available, then update it to the latest version of the TikTok. And try logging in again. But if it still shows error, then all you have to do is go back to the home screen and tap on any preferred web browser as you wish for. Now let's go back to the home screen. I will be simply tapping on the Safari browser for now. Then in the search address bar, type down TikTok support and hit enter. Once you are in the TikTok support in the Safari search, you can see report a problem option available there. Tap on it. Now all you have to do is enter your all personal descriptions and what you are facing in TikTok and send it to the TikTok support. TikTok will reach back to you as soon as possible. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.